Now that you've learned how to build a bot with internal content that is entirely self-contained, let's jump over to the integrations page where you can connect external services that can greatly enrich your bot's value and helpfulness to your visitors. On the integrations page, you'll see a list of services that can be integrated directly or through a third-party service called Zapier. These integrations help you achieve more advanced business flows that will simplify your team's workflows. For example, with the calendar integration, you can connect native calendars such as Google and Office 365 so that your visitors can book meetings directly, quickly, and easily with each or any member of your sales team without ever leaving the bot. Or, using Zapier, you can integrate with HubSpot so that a new contact will be automatically created in HubSpot with all the lead generation info gathered by the bot when a visitor completes a specific step in your bot, such as indicating interest to buy or their estimated budget. Keep an eye on this page as we're constantly adding new Zapier and native integrations in the future. And if you don't see an integration that you're looking for, click this button here to suggest an integration to our product team.